Did you know you can use the formatter to extract information? Often you're working with a block of text, usually from the body of an email. These kinds of actions are especially helpful when you're receiving email notifications of form submissions, and the form app you're using isn't yet supported on Zapier. Let's take a look at the body of an email that's being returned to us from Gmail. There are all kinds of information in here. The first thing you notice is that the information is formatted in HTML, and it isn't the easiest way to read. To fix that, we'll insert a formatter step, choose text, and then choose the Remove HTML Tags transform. We'll insert the body as the input, send a test to the formatter, and voila, things are much easier to read now. Next, we want to start extracting this information, so we'll do that one formatter step at a time. In this next step, let's use the formatter to grab the contact's email address, which we can do using the Extract Email Address transform. And we'll follow the same process as before, except this time we'll insert the output of the previous formatter step instead of the original email as our input. That's because the formatter's output will contain the changes we've just made to the text. We'll test and continue, and awesome, we've extracted the email address. Let's add another formatter step to grab the phone number. You want to repeat the exact same process, only this time, the input we use is not the output from the previous step, since that only has an email address in it. Instead, we'll use the output of the first formatter step so we can search for the phone number in the text body without HTML formatting. We'll repeat this process one more time to grab the contact's website using the Extract URL transform. And boom, we're able to separate out the exact information we needed to input into whatever action step we choose. In addition to the extract transforms you just learned about, you can also extract numbers that aren't phone numbers, as well as patterns. We'll need a whole video to properly cover how patterns work though. And those are some of the ways you can extract and structure text with Formatter.